put the brows in half, so you've got a nice flat surface to write your whatever you want to write on your sign on. And I'll just use the workmate, I haven't got a jaw horse. It always helps if you've got a lovely assistant like I had helping me. Try and keep it in the middle so you've got even semicircles on each side, and then just chop it to length and you're ready to start making your signs. Finally talked her into having a go on the carving. She's loved it, she didn't move for hours. It's a butterfly sign, fairy garden sign. I'm loving it. If you like the video, like and subscribe. Drop me a comment on what videos you want to see, like how to do what, or something like that, or what carving you want done, and I'll see if I can make a video doing it for it.